Last not the least, we have the question of at most two zeros. Guys, at most two zeros, how we will do this kind of question? Firstly, at most zero means maximum two zeros are there. Minimum one zero can be there, right? Minimum zero zeros can be there. So zero zeros I'm representing using null. So it means Q naught. Let's create a generalized automata with two zeros at most two zeros. I am going to Q2. Now they are saying that even if you don't give anything, you are still having the answer. Whenever there is any answer that comes, it means that is my final state. So without giving any zero, my final answer is coming. It means this is my one state, which is a final state. Again, my answer is coming at single zero also. Whenever single zero Q naught, when it is given zero, it is going to final state. So this is also will be my final state, because 1 0 is also getting accepted. Two zeros are getting accepted in this state. So what tuples I explained? I explained capital Q, then input symbols, then transition symbols, then initial state, and then capital F. Capital F was set of final states. Here every state is a final state. Q naught has an outgoing transition with 0. Q1 has an outgoing transition with 0, but Q2 does not have any outgoing transition. I cannot put 0 over here. That would mean I will have many zeros that are getting accepted, by my answer is definitive. There is not an infinite answer that I'm looking at. This is going to be wrong. So clearly there is only one answer, that Q2 cannot have anything from Q2, because maximum I can have only two zeros. Then clearly we will have a zero transition, and the significance would be it will be going to, obviously it will be going to dead state, and dead state have all the transitions with it. So this is how this question is done.